Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out some new products. A couple weeks ago I got an email from this company called Valra Cosmetics and they asked me if they could send me some products. So I looked at their website and was really interested when I saw these peel off lip stains. I've seen products like this before but I've never tried them on myself. So I was like, yeah, I want to try these. And then they also had a product for your brows, which again is a peel off stain, and that was super intriguing to me. So I said, yep, send me some lip stains and eyebrow stain and I will try it out and I will let my people know how I feel about it. If you want to know how I feel about these products, just keep watching. You guys, I am coming to you real fresh this morning. I had to wake up early for a nail appointment and I'm actually planning on wearing this eyebrow gel to my nail appointment because it has to stay on for 2 hours according to the directions. I dyed my hair last night so you can see that beautiful mess on my forehead. Unfortunately, the lid to my eyebrow stuff broke in the mail, but that's okay, it still works. And it didn't come with any form of directions. My lip stains came in a box, so on the back there's a little blurb of instructions, but the eyebrow stuff, it's literally just their brand, what it is, and that's it. So I went on to their website. Step 1, after trimming and prepping your eyebrows to the shape you desire, generously apply a thick coating of our Valra eyebrow gel to your eyebrows in the shape you want. Be sure that you do not have any makeup on or around the eyebrows that might affect the staining power of the gel. So I just washed my face and I didn't even put moisturizer on because I wanted to make sure there wasn't anything on my eyebrows. Step 2 says let the gel dry over a 2-hour period or for ease overnight. Now here's the tricky part. Make sure to let nothing touch the gel while it is still wet, as it can be sticky and anything the gel touches it can potentially stain. Why would they tell you to wear it overnight then? I'm going with the 2-hour option. I have to actually drive an hour there, get my nails done, and drive an hour back. Probably will be on my eyebrows. How rude. It'll probably be on my eyebrows for almost like 4 hours. Step 3, after at least 2 hours has passed, remove the dry layer of gel from the eyebrow. Simply peel it off from the corner of your eyebrow and slowly peel it away. Go back and remove any piece of dried gel that has remained. Try and abstain from using chemicals to wash your face within 24 hours of applying the gel. Water washing is fine during this time, but makeup remover cleanses will diminish the stain power of the stains. The whole point of this is that it stays on for multiple days. I'm going to be wearing makeup on those multiple days, but I have to avoid wiping off my eyebrows. Okay. Step 4. Enjoy multiple days worth of full and luscious eyebrows without having to do anything to them. Go about your normal day and routines without worrying about your brows. It is smudge proof and waterproof to make sure your brows are always a perfect 10. Let's give this a go. The brow gel comes with this little applicator, but obviously I'm not going to use that to apply it because I'm not going to get precise anything done with that. I'm going to take a little eyebrow brush. Make sure my eyebrows are brushed up. I ordered the color light brown, by the way. That's what it looks like. It's almost black. We'll see what the staining power looks like. Reminds me of molasses. Okay, let's see. Ew, it's so cold. I'm really not sure how I'm going to be able to pull this off of my eyebrow later. Thankfully this has little to no smell. Oh, it's getting so sticky now. There we go. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. Now we wait. I'll be back when it's time to try out the lipsticks. I put this stuff on my eyebrows at 8 o'clock this morning and it is now 12:40, so it's been well over the 2-hour mark. It has dried down nicely. It's no longer goopy and sticky, but I'm a little bit concerned about this actually peeling off. It's not just like one solid chunk. Okay, well, I'm just gonna start peeling. I got my nails did. Aren't they cute? A really awesome nail lady in Vernon. She goes by 1901 on Instagram and you should follow her because she's amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna start. This comes off so weird. So in hindsight, I'm thinking that I maybe should have, once I had filled in my brows with the little brow brush, I should have gone over with this brush and just kind of done a layer over it just to kind of make it one smooth layer, and then it might have been easier to do this peeling thing. Okay, there we go. That's actually not too bad. I'm gonna brush through and get those extra little chunkies out of there. You know what? That's actually pretty cool. And it's light brown. It's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. That actually looks really good. I'm not gonna lie, I was super skeptical about this working, but it actually has stained my skin where I wanted it to stain, and it looks just like beautiful and natural. Like I just have to brush my brows and it looks good. I mean, like it's not an Instagram brow, like I normally fill it in more than this, but for an everyday brow, I'm in love with this. If I have to do this once or twice a week just to have like a normal filled in brow, this is perfect for everyday stuff when I don't feel like doing my makeup, because I'm one of those people that even if I'm not wearing makeup, I will put on brows to go out because I just have to have my brows done. And this just gives a nice natural filled in effect that I am obsessed with. I really like this. I like it a lot. I did not expect that. I'm gonna go put on the rest of my makeup and then I'm going to try out one of these lip stains. Here we go, rest of my makeup is on. I kept it very natural today because the eyebrows look pretty natural and I have a feeling that this lipstick's gonna look pretty natural too. So Valra was nice enough to send me this entire pack of lipsticks, so it's all 6 of their colors. Oh, there we go. So we got a nice arrangement of colors. We've got some really nice pinky nudes, going into deeper pinks, a more violet color, and then some red. Now the question is, which one am I gonna try? I'm thinking I probably wanna go for one of the, like, a little bit darker colors. Like, I feel like this one would just be the color of my lips. Maybe I'll do the purple one. You guys know I can't resist purple. That one would be cute. This one I'm not feeling with my vibe today. That one might work. This one looks like my fingernails. So between this one and this one, I think I'm gonna try this one because I think this one's gonna be like a really nice natural, like a rosy red lip. I wiped off my lips with a makeup wipe to make sure there's nothing on it. And that says, apply liberally to lip area. Do not press your lips together to apply it evenly like lipstick. This will cause it to get on your teeth. And we like your white teeth. Use a lip brush instead. Allow it to dry completely for about 10 minutes. Peel off top layer starting from the corner of lips. Use with clear lip gloss to add shine. 10 minutes I have to leave this on my lips. I'm gonna be sitting like this. Ooh, it's coming out already. Ooh, that smells good. It's a really deep color. I just put a little bit on my plate. Looks like blood. So I'm gonna use this little brush from e.l.f. This is a beautiful color so far. Ugh, it's really hard to get even. Okay, it's starting to dry already. Oh, I cannot get a straight line. Okay, I gotta start a timer. 10 minutes, going. I'm just gonna sit here like this now. Ten minutes is up. Huh. Oh. That's definitely stained. Oh. Oh, that doesn't taste so good. I am actually quite shocked. That's like the same color as lid. So what I was expecting from this is that it would go on this color and then give a very light stain to my lips. This is like intense color. It did stain a little funny on my top lip. I don't know why. Maybe I just didn't go far enough in, and this is kind of where the edge was. So I've got a little bit of a funny line right there. But when my lips are closed, you can't tell. And if I'm just talking, you can't tell. It does taste a little bit funny. I didn't actually get any in my mouth when I was applying it. I'm just shocked at this color. I did not expect such good color payoff. I mean, it feels like there's nothing on my lips. Like it's just stained my lips. I've taken all the product off. I didn't know if I would even like this product. That's intense pigment. And for not being able to get a straight line, it actually doesn't look that bad. Like I'd put it on a straight line and it would kind of start separating, but it actually colored my lips quite nicely. I don't know, it looks pretty precise. It doesn't look like I had problems filling it in. Now I'm excited to see what like this purple looks like. I'm going to do what they said and try to put a gloss on top and see how that looks. I'm just using my Maybelline Shine Shot. Okay, so make sure you're following me on Instagram, and I will make sure I try these out over the next couple of weeks. This is a really cool product. Definitely be sure to check them out. I initially thought I'd like the lip stuff more than the eyebrow stuff, but I actually love this eyebrow stuff, and I'm gonna go order it in the darker color. I think this is okay, but I think I wanna try the darker one as well. But I'm actually going away this weekend to a ladies retreat with our church, so I'm gonna put this on Friday morning and then just not worry about my eyebrows all weekend. Like, how perfect is that? This is gonna be a new staple for sure. And then these lip stains, I'm excited to see what the rest of the colors look like, because if this is what the red one looks like, it is a little bit of a pain having to leave it on for 10 minutes without touching your lips together, but I am okay with putting that time in if this is going to last all day, which I'm sure it will. I will check in at the end of the night to see how things are holding up. I'm super impressed so far. I will leave a link down below for you guys to go check it out yourself. From what I understood reading the website, this is a very small company. It's two ladies who started up the company together, I believe. I'm just gonna read a little bit to you about these guys. It says, Valra Cosmetics started as a joint venture between a couple of friends who had an affinity for beauty products and loved making customers happy. Plus, these friends wanted to spend more time with their families by working at home, and since starting the company, have been able to incorporate their spouses into the business for a truly family-run venture, which I love supporting small businesses that are run by families. That is so important to me because I work from home and I love supporting other people who work from home. While each partner lives in a different state in the US, in fact, we each live close to our extended families because one partner has a couple children with one more on the way, and the other is expecting their first child in 2017. So this was written a little bit ago, but that's awesome that they're moms. Okay, now let's get down to pricing. So it looks like you can only get packs of them, so you can get one of each like I did, so it's 6 different stains for $21.99, or you can pick from a couple options that'll have 3 in them, and then the packs of 3 are $15.99. I mean, that's actually really reasonably priced. And then for the eyebrow stain, they are $13.95 each, and these are all US prices, but again, really reasonably priced. And I would, at this point, highly recommend both products because I am blown away with the results that I've gotten. I mean, look at my eyebrows. They look fantastic. I am so excited to go away for the weekend and not touch my brows. That's it for now. I will check in at the end of the day, tell you how everything's holding up, and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm back. It's the evening now. My eyebrows and lips have been on for several hours. I don't even know how many. Like 5, 6 hours, somewhere around there. And let's see. Eyebrows still look perfect. And the lips have faded a bit. That weird line that was on my upper lip has gone and kind of faded off in that area. If I just have my lips together, it looks fine still. I definitely think it has faded in color a little bit. It's not quite as vibrant. I think this product is pretty incredible, and I will definitely be using it again. That's all I have for this video. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see all the other colors when I do wear them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!